Testing 1, 2. Hello, hello. Just getting set up real quick. Let's see. What about Matic? I like Matic. It's been it's been slow. Just so you know, I'm live streaming on YouTube and hey, what's up, Distoplex? I'm live streaming on YouTube and TikTok right now. So how about I set the mood right? There we go. I don't really have a ton of many opinions about Matic. Honestly, I think it's time. It's time for the coin to take off. It's been slow. It's been trending sideways, but I think soon enough it certainly will. So that's what I think. Man, what a great day for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's about time, especially considering Binance. I made a video on my YouTube channel yesterday, YouTube channel, The Stonk Report, basically saying that I think Binance is going to pass Ethereum in market cap sometime because Binance is super convenient and Ethereum has these ridiculous gas fees. And so they really need to figure that out. They will, but Binance is setting a lot of um, they're setting a lot of precedents right now, and things are really good for them. So, all right, I'll take a look at AquaGoat. Distoplex, good to see you again, man. Let's see, AquaGoat. I'm assuming is that another meme coin? Take a look at the chart here. Not Popcoin, PooCoin. AquaGoat, PooCoin. Let's see. I'll take a look at the chart real quick and take a look at that. If you want to, I'm sharing my screen on my YouTube channel, by the way. If you want to watch my screen, then go look at the YouTube channel. All right, I'm seeing very little volume for AquaGoat. Let me see. AquaGoat. What's so appealing about this? I'm not sure. Let me go to their website and see if there's anything that I would like about it. Stealth fair launch community run 4 days ago. So probably had a huge initial surge and then has settled down. All right, 2% fee to liquidity, 2% distributed to all holders, 40% of all tokens burned before going live on PancakeSwap. Seems pretty similar to everything else that I've seen. Let's see. 1 BNB liquidity to start with to ensure small buys. Okay, no whales. I do like that. That there's no whales with this coin. I don't see a website. Oh, maybe there is a website here. It's just a picture. Never mind. So, whatever. Maybe, maybe not with them. I just don't see enough information to make me think like, yeah, I'm getting in on AquaGoat. Um, There is a website. There better be one. I need to turn on some music. Give me a second. All right, aquagoat.finance. Okay, again, streaming live on YouTube and TikTok. So there's the music. For those, if you've watched any of my YouTube videos reviewing these meme coins, I've taken a little bit of a harder stance right now because I'm getting a gist of things, and I'm seeing that a lot of these meme coins, the tokenomics are phenomenal, but the community dies out after a few days, and it may go in cycles. I could see a lot of these things bouncing back at some point, but I'm seeing the same thing with Safe Moon, with Safe Mars, with Hoj, with Hoggle, with everything else. And so I want to see more long lasting. I think something is going to survive. And will that be Safe Moon? Will it be Aquagoat? All right, so does Aquagoat have a white paper? I don't see a white paper. I don't see a team. So it's like, does that mean I'm going to write this off? No, it's more like maybe, maybe not. That's my general my general feel of this. So anyway, enough of Aquagoat. I am just ecstatic to see finally, after so long, Bitcoin has broken through. In Ethereum, Binance has just been on a tear lately. Today it's settling down. All right, they're working on it at the moment. Okay, all right. I'll check them out later. Binance has been on a tear. They're just they had a correction after that insane ride, and that's fine. XRP, watch out for XRP. Finally, I mean I know that they had lots of SEC drama, but they're on a tear right now. I've thought throughout this year that XRP would go to $8 to $10 a coin. So will XRP actually make a break? I mean, it seems like they have made a break. Thoughts on the Coinbase IPO? Yes, I have some thoughts. Bitcoin had to break free before the Coinbase IPO. It just had to. And I don't know about the share price for Coinbase. I do know the market cap. I mean, there's estimates of a $100 billion plus market cap. And so pay attention to the market cap. If the market cap gets to above 100 billion, I would say hold off. If it's under 100 billion, then maybe there's some room to move up. I would not. Coinbase had huge revenues the first quarter of 2021, and that'll continue for the second quarter, the third quarter. After that, the revenues are just going to go down, and so it's a good short-term play. But I would just rather own the cryptos than owning than owning shares of Coinbase. So it is what it is. I'm just curious to see about the IPO, what happens. If it shoots up too much, I'm just gonna pass on it. So yeah. Again, I am live. If you want to see me, I'm sharing my screen on YouTube. If you want to see me with my screen shared, you can go check out my YouTube channel. It's on my profile on TikTok. All right, Cardano is breaking free. What else? EOS Dogecoin right now is on fire, breaking through their all-time high. Didn't expect that. Let's see this here. I'm on coin360.com. Have I seen EBON? I haven't. I'll take a look at that in a second. Man, coin360 is loading very slowly. I'm pretty sure Doge has reached its all-time high. That's crazy. A $10 billion market cap for a meme coin. Unbelievable. But that gives me hope. Oh yeah, they're on their all-time high. So upward movement. I think Doge will get to something like 50 cents a coin this year. By the way, I don't know anything about EBON, so let me look it up. Ebony Magazine, not Ebony Magazine. EBON stock price. Oh, it's a stock. They replied to the Hindenburg statement. I really don't know what that means. eBank International Holdings. Okay, well, I'm going back to Coin360. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day. Anything you want? Any of you listening on YouTube or on TikTok? Let me know what you want to check out. Let's see. Theta is what? 12.1. Theta's been trading sideways for a little bit, but they've been on fire lately. House Heisenberg, what's up? Crypto stuff is wild to me. Up until a few months ago, I had no idea all these random coins existed. Oh, yeah. I saw a fantastic video yesterday. OGN. Yeah, I'll share some thoughts on OGN. That really encouraged me. All right, think about what's going to happen this bull run. Yeah, we're going to hit a $200,000 Bitcoin. But a lot of that is going to be on the back end. It's going to go parabolic. And it's going to be insane movement at the end of the bull run. That's going to signify the end of the bull run. And so you can wait. You could get a 3x return from here, or a little bit more than a 3x return, and that'll be fine. But you could get into some of these altcoins and make a 3x return now instead of trying to time the peak. And so I'm actually moving a fair amount of my Bitcoin into altcoins right now. I might wait for, it seems like we're going to see some upward movement here. And so we'll see about after. But let me get to OGN. I just need to refresh my memory about. I'm excited about OGN, Origin Protocol, and which they're a disruptor. I'm trying to think who they disrupt. Man, they are on a tear. That's for sure. So let's see. February 6th, they were 22 cents. Now they're at 249. Origin Protocol. Let's see. I'm going to go to their website real quick because I was curious about OGN. Oh, Moonstar. Origin Protocol. Yeah, it's purple. I've already been here. Connecting artists with their fans. E-commerce store, yes, yeah. I can only think of stupid questions. What? Okay. I'm pretty pumped about OGN. I think that the platform that they're building could end up being very significant. And I do love it. The team is led by serial entrepreneurs, a founder of PayPal, early employees at YouTube. All right, that's where why I've been here before is because somebody asked me about OGN, and isn't like one of the founders of YouTube behind it? Um, I think it's yeah, Matthew Liu. That was the thing that I remember looking at with this, and so for sure, OGN, definitely some opportunities here. All right, what's my thoughts on GME lately? Seems to have it hit another wall here. There's no volume and trading sideways, but at least it's not tanking, so that's good. Yeah, I haven't paid attention a ton to GameStop the last few days. Um, I think we're gonna just hit this lull, and that I don't see any reason why the squeeze has been squoze. So for as long as it trades sideways and bores me to death, so be it. Incredibly low volume. Um, it is what it is. I'm tired of like waiting it out. I have my shares. I have not sold my shares, and so just wait and see. Wait and see. So again, if you're watching on TikTok, I have shared my computer screen on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. You can click on that in my profile, and you can see what I'm looking at as I'm talking right now. But I'm looking at the chats for YouTube and for TikTok. If you're on YouTube, like, subscribe. If you're on TikTok, follow the channel. Check out my YouTube channel. And I'll be happy to talk about whatever other cryptos or, GameStop, whatever you want to talk about. Be happy to do that. Let's see. I've been loading up on BNB mostly so that I can get into other cryptos. I am really excited about the yield farms and the pools, mostly the pools that I've been getting on PancakeSwap. That's a good question, Adelbert. Do I take profits and how? Investing in other cryptos right now? I am. Yes, I am. I'm taking profits often, and I'm investing those into other cryptos. And some of those have hit, and some of those have missed. But I mean, I have almost quintupled my money since November or so. So there is a point, there's a number in my mind that if and when I hit that number this year, I'm just going to take that win and cool off and just exit everything, and maybe I'll miss unbelievable gains, but that number is $1 million, by the way. If my net worth hits $1 million, then I'm just gonna I'm gonna exit everything except for maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if I miss out on reaching $2 million, so be it. I'll be happy with $1 million this year. And then in 2024, 2025, I'll want to turn that into 5 to 10 million, something like that. So what are some crypto that are really cheap that you think will go crazy this year? I think 75% of cryptos, of cheap altcoins, somewhere like between the 50 to 100 range, will go pretty crazy this year. You've got to get in Binance. You've got to. And that's a third, that's the third by market cap. We're still early on XRP. It's now that XRP is taking off, it has more room to grow. So XRP, what else? I mean, Theta, you got to get in on Theta. Celsius, Stellar Lumens, whatever else. Yeah, sounds great. Yeah. I'm just going to try not to get greedy, and here I am talking about $1 million, but yeah, there's still time to make unbelievable returns. But if you're going to get into altcoins, you've got to think of it as, do your 5x now or 10x now. Don't try to time that peak, which the altcoin peak is going to be about a month after the Bitcoin peak. And if you're still holding when the altcoins crash, the altcoins are going to crash really hard. And you're going to be tempted to think, that it'll bounce back, but it won't. So why are there so many coins you can't buy in Coinbase? It's just there's different platforms, You can't buy Binance has their own platform, so you can't buy any Binance coins on Coinbase, but you can buy a ton of coins that are built on Binance's platform through Binance and through PancakeSwap. But it is really frustrating, Andrea. I have like 7 different platforms that I have crypto on, and I wish I could just all have it in one. Will Vet Rocket once it gets on Coinbase? Yes, I like Vet, VeChain. I'm not. Yeah, I'm totally a fan of SafeMoon. Go for SafeMoon. I'm more chill on the live stream, by the way, so I know that if you saw my SafeMoon TikTok, that you tend to think of me in a certain light, but that was just a fun video that I made. Yeah, 2017-18 was hard. I need a second crypto site if anyone has a good one in Europe. I'm not too familiar with Europe, so I can't help you there. Femex. Yeah, I know you're kidding. Yeah. Femex. I really like Femex's platform. You might want to check that out. So, Binance identification literally broke, and I tried for a week to get a real human to fix it. Yeah, I'm not on Binance's platform. I'm on Trust Wallet. I have Trust Wallet downloaded to my phone, and that gives me access to everything, Binance related at least. So, what's the minimum you think I should put into Vet before it rockets? I'll go by percentage. I'd be comfortable with like 5%, something like that. But that's me. I'm like 80% into, well, no, if you include Binance, I'm probably like 85% in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance. And I'm most bullish about Binance out of all of them right now. Yep, Bitcoin all-time high. Let's go. Can you spell Femex? P-H-E-M-E-X. What do I think pre-IPO of the Coinbase token? Is there a Coinbase token? I didn't know there was one. I mean, buying the Coinbase stock, I think, it just depends on the initial market cap. If the market cap is 9 figures initially, I'm just going to chill. I'm going to sit that one out. I mean, honestly, I'm just going to sit it out. I want crypto. I don't want stocks right now. So, yeah. Why still Binance? Binance, so any token, any coin that is built on a platform that other coins are dependent on, except for Ethereum because of their gas fees, but Binance, you need Binance to have access into everything. So Binance shot up to $600 a coin yesterday, and it was at $20 when I first got in, and I was just thinking about this, and I was like, I am comfortable paying $600 for Binance right now. And why is that? It's because Binance gives me access to PancakeSwap, and PancakeSwap gives me access to a whole world of coins. PancakeSwap gives me access to staking the Cake token at 100%. And so I'm very, very comfortable buying Binance, even though it's shot up like crazy. And so I love that. And PancakeSwap is the same thing with their Cake token. It's shot up like crazy, and I'm comfortable owning it because the Cake token gives me access to crazy amounts of coins and to farming and yield, all these yields and everything. And so I'm building up my Cake portfolio big time. I'm getting an interest like $150 a day right now in the Cake token. I'm just reinvesting that into Cake. So do I think Bitcoin will be higher before the end of the month? No doubt in my mind. We've been consolidating for 50 plus days. around the sub $60,000 mark, and it's time. It is time for Bitcoin to break out. So yeah, that's how I think of it too regarding BNB and Cake. Bought my first Bitcoin in 2013. Awesome. So all right, let's see. I'm looking at two different chats right now because we use it. Simple as that. Worth to buying Cake. Yeah. It really is. You need Binance to get access to everything. Not to everything, but to lots and lots of things. And I prefer Binance over Ethereum's platform. Ethereum to me is just a coin that you hodl. Binance is like this whole new world that you can enter. So let's see. Just found you and subscribed. Awesome. Thank you so much. Happy to hold long term, but would love the squeeze to happen. What are your thoughts on GME right now? Yeah, it's the same thing with me. I'm happy to hold long term, and I want the squeeze to happen. I still believe it will happen, but I just don't know. I don't know when. When's it going to happen? I'm not going to touch my shares, you know. So long GME. Do I have XRP? Yes, I have XRP. Coinbase won't use it anywhere, so where do you even trade XRP? That's a good question. Trust wallet. I mean, that's another thing with Binance is like you can get XRP pegged tokens on Binance, and so that's where I have it. And I got into a 3x XRP bull token that is supposedly supposed to perform. You know, if Binance goes up to 179, maybe this will go up to $6 or something. But if it goes up to if XRP goes up to $10 or something, that token would go up to 100, 200, maybe more than that. So what's my price prediction for ETH by August? I'll say 5,000. Something like that. I'd probably trade XRP, but Femex doesn't have it, and Coinbase obviously doesn't. Yeah, hopefully they'll open up sometime soon. Hopefully that SEC case will be closed. In the meantime, yeah, I have a pegged token. I don't have the actual XRP coin. So, and I'm fine with that. So be it. So, again, by the way, I am on TikTok and YouTube. I am sharing my screen on YouTube so you can see it if you're on TikTok and you want to check out my YouTube channel. Binance hopefully stops sucking, but yeah. Yeah. Let's see. 100K Bitcoin by the end of the year. I think that's a little bearish. I think in May it'll hit 100K. So I feel bad for you guys. Binance is elite. And yeah, I get it through Trust Wallet. Check out Trust Wallet. So bought XRP at 0.2 after it got suspended, but didn't hodl enough. Yeah, you know, it was coming. It was due. It was going to happen, and so it happened. So be it. All right, let's see. Yeah, Cardano's good. XLM's hot right now. Hot is not hot, but people are excited about that. Theta is trading sideways. Luna, XTZ. Just happy about today. I'm happy about today. Finally, Bitcoin has reached an all-time high. My kids bought Bitcoin about a month ago at $61,000, and they've been asking me over and over again, hey, what's the Bitcoin price at? What's it at? And I'm like, dude, I'm sorry. It hasn't increased in value. And finally, I can tell them, hey, the Bitcoin that you invested in a month ago is worth more. So awesome. Congratulations. And I know it's all about long term. It's all about HODL and everything like that. But it's my kids. You know, I want them to see a good return on their investment. But I can't wait until they're in college and they see how much that Bitcoin's worth. So let's see. Celsius. I bought Crow. Yeah. Let me check out Crow real quick. Just got into Crow for the first time today. It's been a long time coming. I should have gotten it sooner. Because again, I love platforms. And crypto.com is a platform. Guys, I love platforms. Do you think the tokenized stocks will be more of a thing like Tesla Binance? I don't know what you mean by that, Edel. I thought I was late to the party at 25K. Nope. Man, when it was at 25K, I was like so happy to be buying at 25K. It hovered around 20,000 for a long time, and I was like, man, I am an eager buyer if this thing goes any lower or any higher. Once it broke through that 20,000 barrier, I was like, it is never coming back to 20,000. And I got so much heat on my TikTok. I made this video when Bitcoin was at 33,000. And man, I deleted the video. I wish I didn't. But I was so frustrated by the comments and people telling me like, you're an idiot. Bitcoin is going back down to 4 figures. And I wish I could go back to that video and just respond to all those comments. Like, look at us now. And I knew they were wrong. I knew they were wrong. Bitcoin is decentralized evil. Please elaborate on that. I'd love to hear your thoughts more. So what he means is that Binance is going to start selling tokenized stocks beginning with Tesla. That's interesting. I have no interest in that. But cool, man. You know? Be more creative with that. Good to get the kiddos and cryptos, educating them for the future. Yes, sir. Uh-oh, I'm getting a phone call. Dude, this guy always calls me when I'm live. Eric, Tough and Sam, if you're listening, I'm live right now. So I really will need to answer that question or answer that call at some point. But good to see you all. Thoughts on Boson? I have no idea, honestly, what that is. And I've tried. All right, let's look it up. Here we go. And by the way, if you're on TikTok and you're watching me right now, I am sharing my screen on my YouTube channel. Head over to my YouTube channel, and you can see my screen that I'm sharing right now. So become a part of the future of commerce. Boson. I am intrigued by this. I'll check out their white paper at some point. 50 pages. Good to see that. Let's see. All right. You're going to have to come back to see that. BNB is a buy proof. Let's see. In September, a crypto holder from 2012 said it was going to $100,000, and I still believe people were going to buy gold and silver and be like, time to get the lifeboats in September when it was 8,000. Gold, silver is trash until the system dies because they will manage it, and crypto is winning hard because it is better than fiat currency. It's going to grow hard. It is. Yes, all of those things. Proof, great project. Boson, I'm assuming, Paul, that you're talking about Boson. It looks, I mean, just initial glance, that looked very intriguing. So I want to take a look at it more. I'm curious as to where they are as far as like their market cap and stuff. I'm not going to look at that now. Well, let me do it. $3.67. Oh, that's volume. $5 million volume. Market cap, fully diluted market cap is 701 million, so it's pretty small. Out of the top 100, so lots of potential there. So that might be something worth putting money in. What happened there? Oh, that's all tap. So this is really new. Wow. Okay, this is very, very new. Am I reading that right? That doesn't seem right. Current market cap is about 60 million. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Can you stake SafeMoon on where? Yeah, I don't know what to say about Boson. I'm hearing about it for the first time now. Should I hold my BNB? Yes. Yes, hold your BNB. Stake it. VeChain is going to skyrocket. I'm with you on that. I believe you. All right, Bitcoin is slow, impractical, and the prices of GPUs arresting computing power. Okay. I think it's, I guess my counter to that is it's far superior to gold and silver, and it's a much better store of value. So it's either a scam, someone is stealing compute power, or it's idiotic. Well, you do you. I have other things to talk about with other people. So what does staking mean? Staking is, so there's proof of work, which is mining, and then proof of stake, which is if you hold crypto, if you hold it, you can stake it. You could put it in a place where they'll hold it and they'll give you a return on your investment. And staking is getting rewards for holding. So Binance offers something like, upwards of 27% staking, 20% annual staking. Wasting energy is a better store of value. I mean, all right, Flippin, this is my last response to you. Flippin on TikTok. Renewable, people are using more and more renewable energy every year, and that's what's going to be the trend. So my last response to you, Flippin, have fun complaining about Bitcoin. So would you recommend to stake on BNB on Pancake? I would stake it on Trust Wallet. I don't even know if you can stake BNB on Pancake, but right now I prefer to stake BNB, or I prefer to stake Pancake over BNB. And that's another thing I would recommend to do, is maybe convert some of your BNB to Pancake, convert it to Smart Chain, convert the Smart Chain to Pancake, and get 100% annual return on your Pancake. So, yeah, my man got not investing. Okay, can't see any of the comments that aren't from YouTube. Yeah, sorry, it's on my TikTok channel. So I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. So if you want to see the comments on TikTok or on YouTube, World War Bitcoin is my TikTok channel, and the Stonk Report is my YouTube channel. So if either way you want to see, if you want to see both comments, you can watch both at the same time. There's this guy flipping on my TikTok who's not excited about Bitcoin, to say the least. It's all good, nothing but love, but yeah. Let's see. Okay. To Boson seems pretty interesting. I think we're going to break through some new barriers with Bitcoin. Maybe 64,000 tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised end of week if we were at 65,000, something like that. So, bro, what do you think about PooCoin? PooCoin, yeah, the coin. 5x my invest. I'm paying attention to PooCoin because honestly, how new is that coin? Because I have been going to that website. The website is super convenient. The app is super convenient. So if the app is like that, that gives me hope for the coin, because people are using the app more and more. So I'm curious. I've been tempted to buy into PooCoin, the coin. So yeah, Pitbull. Why did Pitbull drop? I think it's finding its valley. And I do still have hope because the community is strong. So, That's my best answer. Bitcoin would be an artifact if we had proper backed by gold money, in my opinion, but all currencies are poop. Would you have Bitcoin if the government owned 50% of them and printed more Bitcoin? Yeah, I would not. Um, all right. Let me get to the YouTube comments first, and then Hermissa, I see your comment on TikTok. So it is a very good app. Yeah. They're literally ruining people's lives with fiat dollars. I'm totally with you on that. I invest in something when I'm using it. Yes. Yes. All right, Crow. I just brought Crow for the first time today. And again, platforms. I love platforms right now. So BNB, Cake, Crow, Celsius. I love them all. Platforms that other cryptocurrencies depend on. So XRP, I answered a question about XRP. This was due, and I think there's plenty more room to grow with XRP. So I've early on, before the SEC stuff already happened, and even during the SEC stuff, I was saying $8 to $10 for XRP this year. And I'm sticking with that. So yes. Like, subscribe. If you're on TikTok, feel free to follow. I'm hoping to go live every day from Tuesday to Thursday every week. So live on TikTok and YouTube around lunchtime. But man, am I hungry right now. So if you remember the conversation we had about the 75K I could have invested, Bit was valued at 250. I'd have so much now if I'd not listened to my friend. People who talk down about Bitcoin are the same. They just hate the fact that it's something so good. Yeah. Yeah. And man, if you just put a little bit into Bitcoin, your hate would turn into love. Lots and lots of love. Lunchtime Eastern or Pacific? I'm Eastern right now. So I'm waiting for one of my kids to come into my office and give me lunch. And I'm looking forward to eating because I'm pretty darn hungry. So yes. Oh man. I love crypto. I love you so much. I don't think Bitcoin is done till 5 trillion market cap or $5 trillion. I'm assuming you're talking about $5 trillion, and I'm assuming that you mean this cycle, which that's probably very close to where I think Bitcoin, I think the entire crypto market cap could top out somewhere around $8 to $10 trillion. It's at $2 trillion right now. And $5 trillion market cap for Bitcoin with a total crypto market cap around 8 to 10 trillion sounds about right to me. So yeah, market cap. Yep. Sounds about right to me for 2021, maybe early 2022. And I think about a 10x from the peak of 2020 or of 2017 sounds about right for Bitcoin. And then the next bull run, I'm thinking about a peak of about 5x. But we'll see. Yeah, 10 trillion entire crypto market max. The thing about that I've just been dwelling on this, it's like it doesn't have to all be at the same time. If Bitcoin's market cap peaks at 5 trillion, that means that alt season's peak will be right after that. And so it could be a thing where Bitcoin's market cap peaks at 5 trillion, and then a month later, the altcoin market cap peaks at 3 trillion. But then Bitcoin's market cap at that time is more like 3.5 trillion. So that could be a peak of 6.5 trillion or something at that time. So, yeah. In 10 years, easy, but in 10 years, imagine how much they will print. Yep. Everything could be higher. Food could be 2x at least. So, yeah. Yeah. Good talks. Good stuff we're talking about here. And I'm excited. Thank you so much for joining me on this chat right now. I hope to be live lunchtime tomorrow and the day after and all that, talking about mostly about crypto. We can talk about GameStop for sure. But let's see. Anything else on this page that I've missed or that I haven't talked about yet? Aave, Theta. Definitely see some of this being possible. Yeah. Cardano finally is trading sideways. What's Algorand up to? I'm curious about that. $1.49. That's all right. I have Algorand too. I really like Algorand. Man, yeah, it got hot in February, and then it's been trading side. Oh man, get into Algorand. Not financial advice. I mean, I know it is, but now's a good time to get into Algorand. What do I think is going to happen with GME? I think it's going to trickle down a little bit more short term. It is pretty depressing just following, like the volume is pretty much non-existent and the price just keeps going down a little bit more. But there will be eager buyers at some point soon, and that'll put more pressure. I mean, we saw that. We saw. Oh man, I'm blanking here. Okay, with GME, we saw that Melvin Capital has posted more losses, which means that they're just struggling. They're fighting for their lives, you know. So something's got to give. So does stake mean mining? No, it's something different, but the result is the same. Stake is that you essentially you hold your coin with the platform for a set amount of time, and they give you a return of a certain percent. Any thought on the Fed talking about creating their own regulated digital currency? How does it affect Bitcoin? I don't think it has much of an effect on Bitcoin, honestly, or any effect. I did make a video, a TikTok about. I made a TikTok about what this looks like. China has a digital currency that they're testing in certain cities, where they are basically they're sending it to people's phones and they're saying you have X amount of time to spend this money, and so they're going to put limitations on what you can spend it on. I'm sure they're going to be able to, with their digital currency, put that in such a way that you will have to spend that money by a certain time, or that money will expire, so that it can stimulate the economy, and they might prevent you from being able to what am I thinking? To buy crypto, basically. So I have 200 TLM and I want to stake BNB. How do I do that? I mean, you got to find a way to convert it to BNB. I don't know what TLM is. So find a way to convert that to BNB. I mean, if you have to sell it, put it into fiat and then buy BNB. Download Trust Wallet. And I would recommend that you don't buy BNB through Trust Wallet, but that you buy it somewhere else, like Crypto.com, and transfer your BNB to Trust Wallet. And then on Trust Wallet, if you click on BNB, there are ways to let me just grab my I'm on my phone. I'm on TikTok on my phone live stream right now, so I can't do it. But there's options. There's a drop down menu where you can stake your BNB. So yeah. And I would stake. I'm going to reevaluate things probably around the end of August, as far as like all of my staking, all of my holdings. At some point towards the end of the bull run, I'm going to be entirely in Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Binance, and some stable coins to get. I've seen options where I can pair two stable coins together and farm those up to 30% return, which means like if I had $500,000 getting 30% return on my stable coins, that's $150,000 in a year. I'll be happy to just live off of that, and focus on other things. So, yeah, BNB is just going to keep going up. I just want to farm it. Yeah, I'm totally with you on that. I think BNB. Earlier this year, I predicted a BNB price of $1,000, and it's abundantly clear to me that that's way too low right now. That 2,000 seems to be let me say 1,800 would be my floor right now with BNB, but I actually think it's going to go higher than that. So, oh man, but I do love BNB. And all right, I'm a little biased with BNB because I got in at $23. So obviously, like, I'm excited. But again, you need BNB to do so much. BNB is what Ethereum should be. BNB is what Ethereum will be one day. So once they figure out their gas fees, once they get to Ethereum 2.0, it's game on for Ethereum. But until then, I am BNB over Ethereum. No doubt in my mind. So, anyway. Oh, man. I'm so hungry. I have to take a bite of my lunch real quick. And then I'll wait to eat the rest. Haven't heard of BNB before. What's so good about it? Well, BNB is the number 3 crypto right now, and BNB gives you access to a whole world of other cryptos. So BNB has shot up like crazy, and I have no problem buying more of it because I want access to these other cryptos. So I think that's a lot of people's mentalities. It doesn't matter how much BNB the coin costs, because you're going to use that to gain an entry point to other places. And when you exit those other places, you'll go into BNB. So any worry about holding coins on exchanges for interest long term, any you trust, I'm not too worried about it. People have given, I'm on BlockFi for some of that. And I trust BlockFi, and I've just made a decision to do that. I trust Celsius as well. I'm not concerned. I know that there's some people who are. So, let's see. Are you going to hold Elongate and SafeMoon for a long time? I don't have any Elongate. I have a tiny bit of SafeMoon just to see, and just so that, like, when the SafeMoon shills gloat, if it skyrockets, I'll be like, well, I have some too, so they don't have to rub it in my face too much. I'll answer your question well captured, but let me get to YouTube real quick. About PMs in March 17, stock market plus 140, Tesla plus 1300, Bitcoin plus 1200. Man, you're awesome. You're killing it, Andrea. So, but gold is now below that price. Yes. Yeah. All right, let's see. What are your top 5 coins? Not Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, or Cardano? Binance and Cake, easily. Other than that, there's so many options I could go. XLM, Theta, Crow, things like that. Celsius, and there's probably some that I'm thinking of that I'm like, oh yeah, for sure that one. So, let's see. Do I know Copiosa.io will be the next low cap crypto exchange? I don't. I'll check that out. I own SafeMoon, but some people don't understand. It's just a meme. Yeah, there's no... not killing it, but thanks. Okay. There's no platform. There's no vision. It's just, can we get more people on it? Then yes. But I mean, that's what Dogecoin is, and look at Doge. I mean, if you invested in Dogecoin in 2013, which I did, but then my exchange got hacked because it was like a garage band exchange. Then, but if you bought some in 2013, you'd be in great shape right now. Yes, let's see. All right. For me, it's a learning process, so I was clueless a year ago. I mean, you're in now. If you're in now, you're at least, at the very, very least, going to see a 3x return, which I just realized that fact right now just got me very excited because that would mean that I would be at $750,000 by the end of this year. But I'm shooting for $1 million. So you said SafeMoon is garbage, and now you have some. Yep. As a hedge against the, what is it? The gloaters. What's the best way to start researching about altcoins, and how do you know when to invest? Honestly, YouTube. Tons of channels that I'd recommend. Lark Davis is a really good one. And YouTube to get you started, and then read the white papers. I'll even throw out BitBoy Crypto. There, Alex Becker. I really like him because he's kind of he does research by following other people, and then he summarizes that research. So Alex Becker. I put money in XRP out of a shout out from my friend and got lucky, but want to learn. Yeah, man, it's so complicated and so there's just so much. It's growing more every day than you can actually learn, and so where do you even start? It's hard to say, but at this point in April of 2021, for like the next 4 or 5 months, like as long as you're spread out, you're gonna see a phenomenal return. So like, throw a dart at a dartboard, honestly, and you'll be good. What are your thoughts on Pokemon? I don't have any thoughts really. Yeah, I don't know. Is that another meme coin? Sounds like it. All right, TBH, just give me like 5 decent altcoins. Cake, BNB Cake, Theta, XLM, Crow. How about that? I bought Dogecoin the week before it blew up, but didn't really understand what I was doing. I tried a little research and put it into a Coinomi wallet, but when it blew up for some reason, I couldn't get it out of the wallet. Oh no. Yeah, I feel like the known ones took off hard in the last 3 months. So what now? There's going to be regret. You know, you're going to be kicking yourself because there was this one coin that you heard about that was supposed to blow up and you didn't put money into it, and now you did. And now you see it shot off like crazy. So I don't know. It is what it is. Just know that you're going to win and be happy with that. So you don't believe we're done? We are absolutely not done yet. We're not even close to done. Check out the thing that one of the biggest indicators that makes me I will pay attention to see when we're done is on-chain. Oh my goodness. No, illiquid supply. Liquid and illiquid supply. Glassnode.com is a data treasure trove. It is a data, and it's all right, I'm just gonna go to Glassnode.com. Well, all right, here's the thing with Glassnode.com. They charge for their information, which they should. They charge for their information. At one point they didn't, and so Glassnode.com, you can see it on my screen if you're watching on YouTube. But let me go to Twitter and see if I can find illiquid supply, because they always have charts. Actually, all right, Bitcoin illiquid supply. And let me answer a question about Dogecoin. What do I think about Dogecoin? I think it's going to increase in value this year. I think somewhere around 50 cents a coin will be its top. But you've got to, here we go. You have got to time that peak very well. I do see, yeah, Doge is flying. But man, Doge peaks and crashes like crazy. So you're not going to be able to time it. Maybe you can, but all right. Here's what I want to say about, are we done with the bull run? This is Glassnode's illiquid supply. So you see, all right, if you're watching on TikTok, you're not, I'm sharing my screen on YouTube, so you might want to check out the Stonk Report on YouTube. That's where I'm recording this. But this chart in 2017, you see all this red. This is people taking their Bitcoin off of exchanges. And this chart doesn't have 2017 on it. But this is a lot of red. Bitcoin is being pulled off of exchanges like crazy right now and being held long term. The holders are increasing. Absolutely, Andrea. And so I know on my profile on Twitter, World War Bitcoin Twitter, if I can get there, I know I have an old chart here. So let me get to it. Tweets and replies. I'll show you a chart from 2017. Or, well, it'll show 2017 and now. So it's going to take a couple minutes as I scroll down here. Ay, ay, ay. But I really want to find this. So I'm willing to just keep scrolling. Come on, here we go. All right. So look at 2017. Look at all of that green. That means that people were taking their money out of cold storage and putting it on exchanges so that they could sell. When I see all of this red, I'm seeing lots of the exact opposite. We've never had this much red. Never, ever had this much red. And so I am more bullish. I saw your price prediction of 130,000 for Bitcoin in 2021. I'm more bullish than that because of stuff like this. I mean, the supply is decreasing. And what I really think is that there's not going to be as big of a crash wherever Bitcoin peaks. So, best exchanges sell crypto for fiat, USD. I mean, Coinbase, I don't know, lots of exchanges. SafeMoon, okay. Any new coins coming up that you can refer? I looked at the Algorand chart a little bit earlier, and Algorand is poised to break out. So that's a good short-term one. But other than that, I love platforms. So Binance, Cake, and Crow would be very high up there. People are waking up to the reality of fiat currency. Yeah. Yep, Andrea, absolutely. I'm with you on that. So, all right. I have an important phone call coming up. I have to run. I have to eat lunch. So come back tomorrow around noon, and I'll be back on. And I'm hoping to make this a Tuesday through Friday thing. We'll talk crypto. We'll talk GameStop, whatever else you want to talk about. So until then, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.